Hello everybody, welcome to Friday. The S&P 500 was down today, but just a little bit. It was down 0.02%. And so it's interesting to see what's happening. We've gotten very close to the all-time high. The 33.93 was the all-time high, and we hit 33.87, just 6 points off on Wednesday. And so we're just kind of going sideways. And I think that's going to continue for a little while. If it does break through, historically, in my experience, we've seen it run. We also have a seasonality happening. So watching today, the market was much lower volume altogether, in my opinion. Really, you can see the energy. You know, all these charts are flashing, you know, as the trades come through. And today it wasn't as flashing as much, that's for sure. And we've had this happen before many times the last couple of weeks of August. I think there's lots of vacations that happen, even amongst money managers. And luckily that's offset by the first couple of weeks of September can often be really good, at least in my experience. I thought this year might be a different pattern because it'd be a little bit harder for people to get out and travel, but probably not. You know, they're probably still doing it. And so those are some of the factors that are kind of fitting in. And we are seeing this battle. I mean, basically every day, it's either the reopening stocks that take off at the beginning and keep doing better than the tech and advanced healthcare, or it's the advanced healthcare and tech that take off. And it's really kind of interesting. I mean, it literally starts off at 6:30 my time when the market opens, and you can kind of tell where it's going to go. So today it was energy, financials, industrials. These aren't bad things, you know, getting this kind of mixture and such and broadening out the gains in the market. And so we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. But really interesting to see what happens here at the end of August, see if this continues to be kind of soft. And we'll take a look at what happens on Monday. I look forward to talking to you then. Thank you very much.